Economy can be unpredictable. Having a reliable job or an established business can both have their downs in a bad economy. But when you face an unexpected turn of events, there is always a way to earn money through a second source. Then there are scenarios where you can't afford a steady and strong financial life with a single job. In an economy like today's, especially in Pakistan, having a part-time income resource or making money online from the comfort of your home is a great proposition. 1. Blogging. First things first. What you are most passionate about. Never start a blog in which you might lose interest later. You need excellent English communication skills to start your own blog. It can be a news-related blog, or a product, service review or celebrity blog. Post jobs, funny images, videos, write about latest trends or technology updates. The pitch point is that you are blogging about good ideas. Stay away from plagiarism. Take inspiration but don't copy content from other sites. Use Google AdSense or info links to put up ads on your blog and start earning. Don't rush and wait for 3 to 4 months till the volume of visitors increases to more than 1,000 per day. Money starts coming in once you reach your target. You can check our complete guide on how to set up a WordPress blog with almost no effort. As mentioned in the post, you can get 25% off on your hosting plan on HostGator if you use our coupon code TECHJUICE25 on checkout. 2. Earn through data entry. Data entry is considered to be among the biggest skills you can have to earn money online. It is also listed as the top most jobs available online in terms of projects volume. It's all about typing and you may need some basic level English and computer skills to get the job done. Data entry jobs take a lot of your time. Some reliable sources can be Freelancer, Alance and Upwork, formerly Odesk. 3. Become a part of market research groups. Market research is like the bread and butter of an advertising agency in Pakistan. Contact some local or large companies or research agencies and become a part of the focused groups. You have no idea how much they value your opinions. 4. Fill out some survey forms. Similar to focused groups, survey research is another medium of earning money online by providing your opinions. Those surveys can be related to products, services or academic research forms. 5. Refer products, services and get paid. Earn money online via participating in referrals. Good income can be earned along with bonuses if you have a strong network of people and know someone who might fit the job perfectly. 6. Ever thought of selling photos? You don't need to be the famous Tapu Javeri to do the job. Sometimes the most usual or unusual things miss a photo, like coffee cups, road signs, etc. You can submit these images at various sites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. 7. Become a reviewer. Often we eat at a restaurant and say, "Oh my, this was the most tasteless thing I ate," or when using a smartphone you say stuff like, "I love how the camera works." There are a number of websites who actually pay you to review products. Some people may hire you to review their own products, services on several review sites. The most popular websites includes Amazon and eBay. 8. Become a travel agent. No, you won't have to sit in an office to do that. You can reserve and sell tickets to customers from your home. I used to work for a travel and tours company who hires salespeople and let them work from home. After all, you just have to sell the tickets online. 9. Arts and crafts. Love making jewelry from stones or crochet? Are you a crafty person? Or have some interest in making paintings? Either way, you can make stuff at home and sell them online via OLX, Facebook or the new boss in town Instagram. 10. Telemarketing. Are you good in sales and can communicate with people in US, Ireland or UK in their native language? Telemarketing can be the right job for you then. Reach out to companies looking for a resource like you and sell their products and services, be it a call or an online chat. Meet your monthly targets and earn the sales commission with basic pay. Earn up to 50,000 Pakistani rupees to 1 lakh a month. TRG Pakistan would be the perfect example to state here, one of the leading BPO companies in Pakistan for offshore outsourcing. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.